Christian Dannemann Eriksen, professionally known as Christian Eriksen, was born on 14th of February in 1992. He is a Danish professional footballer who plays as midfielder for Premier League club Manchester United and the Denmark national football team. He is renowned for his vision, technique, passing and free kick ability. Christian Eriksen started playing football from 1995, where he debuted in Denmark youth club midfielder, where he played from 1995 to 2005. From 2005 to 2008, he played for OB, and from 2008 to 2010, he was transferred to Ajax Youth Center. In senior team,